Hello friends, my name is Swati Chauhan and today's date is 15 February 2024 and today's topic is object life cycle in Java. We know that Java is an object-oriented programming language that can be consist of the uh, that can be familiar of the classes and object. We can write a Java program. We use the classes and initialize the objects in Java. We use the constructors. In Java is the object-oriented programming language. We are also use class name and constructor name may be same. So what is the object life cycle? Object life cycle means object are performed the four types of phase to use the initialization of memory allocation for two phase and it also maybe create the memory allocation for the developers and programmers. Firstly, objects are also initialization phase. There are the object. There are the four types of phase of the object, such as the first is the initialization. Second is the utilization. Third is the utilization. Third is the initialization, and fourth is the destruction. So the initialization phase, when we creating phase, when we create the object through new keyword and constructor as like perform the object creation. We can also create the constructor object constructor are initialize the object and they use the memory allocation in heap area. In Java, the object are creates through the constructors and constructor may be a name. Constructor is the method to initialize the object. At the time of object call, constructor are the created. In Java, we can use new keyword for the creating object. When we create a multiple object with the help of the new keyword. Initialization phase. Second is utilization phase. Utilization phase object refers to memory allocation through JVM. It also call when an object it also call constructor when an object gives the memory allocation in the heap area. Then utilization. Then third phase is the fourth phase is the destruction. Destruction means destroy the object. When we create an object are destroyed. In Java, JVM can be support memory allocation to destroying the object is automatically. We are also Java internally JVM are internally use and destroy the object through garbage collector and they can also destroy the object. Object are also provide the memory in heap area. This heap area, the JVM are also provide the values of provide the value of reference. They cannot be used reference type. It also use the value type. And it is also used in explicitly. The programmers will be they cannot be used in own. Java is internally explicitly used in the garbage collector and destroy the object. Thank you.